welcome back to my channel. So today I have this makeup look for you guys. This was inspired by a face chart by Milk1422 on Instagram. So yeah, really cool. I just got inspired and wanted to do it. So this video is how I got this look. There's a brush hair on my face. Okay. But yeah, basically if you guys just want to watch how I got this and learn some things, then go ahead and keep watching. So first I'm going to go in with a Tarte Shape Tape and just prime my whole eyelid. And I'm using a beauty blender to just blend that out. I'm picking up this Bone shade from the Kat Von D Shade and Light. And I'm just using this to set my entire eyelid. First I'm taking this royal blue shade from the Morphe 35B palette. And I'm taking this on a big fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with the lightest pressure and start laying down this color. You want to use super light pressure in order to get that blend because it's easiest to do this at the beginning rather than trying to blend it later. And throughout this I am trying to build the most color on the inner and outer corner since we're doing a halo eye, but you also want that color up here in the crease so that when we create that halo there is still some blue on top. And this is something I just have to be super patient with because blues are kind of difficult and you just want to really use the least amount of product possible and just continue to build it up over time. Alright, now that I have a little bit of color built up, I'm going to go in with this deeper blue shade from the Morphe 39A palette. And it is a shimmery shade, but what I've learned is you really can't tell when you put shimmery shades in your crease. Like, if you have nothing else to use, you can definitely use it. It works just fine. And again, we're just focusing on the same places, and I'm still using that same brush because I just want it all to be very diffused. Also going in with a little bit of the royal blue from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's a little bit more bright, and it'll just give us a little bit more dimension in the eye. I'm also going to pick up a little bit of this navy shade from the 39A on that smaller brush and just pack that on the very inner and outer corner just to give us some depth here. This is the hard part. This is where it gets tricky. This is where you can mess up, but you can fix it if you do. So I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just going to put a little chunk on the back of my hand. And I'm going in with my favorite flat top synthetic brush, and this is the Morphe M421. It's a tiny little brush. And it's literally just like the best thing ever for cut creases. So since we're doing a spotlight halo eye, I'm going to start in the middle. I'm just going to lay down the concealer in the middle where I know I'm going to have it, and then I'll use that in small amounts to keep carving this out. Okay, so I've created this little moon shape. And now I'm just going to start dragging this downwards in kind of a triangular shape, and then I'm going to pat it to flatten it out. And then I'm actually going to take the very tip of my brush and start dragging that out because you want this to kind of fade so that we can eventually get a nice fade from the center to the outside colors. I'm going to take the MAC pigment in Vanilla. This is just like an iridescent white, and I'm going to start patting this all over the area that we put concealer on. Okay, now that this looks kind of horrible, this is when we're going to go in with our blue and start to blend. And this honestly just takes a while of going back and forth between blending and then the color in the center. And yeah, you just have to keep going back and forth until you get it how you like it. I'm now taking a little bit of the NYX glitter glue, taking this on a tiny little brush, and I'm just going to start to spread this out very thinly along everywhere that we have cut out right here. Then taking this white NYX glitter, and this glitter is very iridescent. It has like a kind of a green and blue shift, and I'm taking it on that really small brush as well. I'm just gonna lightly place it all over. I'm going to go back over that with the white pigment from MAC. I'm just going to lightly dust this over the glitter because I don't want the glitter to overpower it. I just kind of want that to be there over the white. And now we're just really going to go in and blend until we have the fade that we want. Okay, hello. I have done the base of my face makeup, foundation, bronzer, and such, and then I put on some lashes, and these are the Lily lashes in London. Okay, I'm going to mix the blues I used earlier and take it on a little flat definer brush. We're gonna put this really tight to the lash line. Just gonna kind of place it in there. This isn't the most comfortable because some powder is getting in your eye, but what are you gonna do about it? I'm dipping back into the Morphe 35B palette and I'm picking up this kind of terracotta peachy shade. I'm going to lightly blend out the bottom with this color. Okay, now that we kind of have that really blended out kind of lightly, I'm going to go back in with the blue and just kind of buff that closer to the eyelid, so we want to leave a little bit of the orange down below. I'm going to go ahead and put mascara on my lower lashes. I am taking the Morphe 35E and picking up this shade. It's kind of like the same terracotta shade, but it's shimmery. And I'm going to place this in my inner corner. And then to get this kind of golden glow, of course, we're going to use Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter. And then I'm using the ABH gloss in Toffee. Then we're going to use the ColourPop gloss in Wham. And I'm going to be putting this in the center of the lips. Alrighty, that is it for the look, so we're just going to go ahead and set. Alright guys, that is it for this look. I really hope you guys liked this. I had so much fun doing this. This is like one of my favorite looks I've done in a while. I always like trying new things and actually like getting them. If you guys like it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, go to my Instagram at Beauty by Anna Grace. It's always linked in the description box if you guys want to go click the link. Follow me on Instagram and I will be posting pictures of this look. If you guys could tag Milk1422, that would be so nice of you. If you like this video, you'll probably like my others, so make sure you subscribe. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.